This is a screen replacement for my HP notebook. It's a model HP BA154NR. I got the model number from scanning the code on the top of the laptop here. This screen, the bezel just snaps off. It does not have any screws. Some will have screws that hold the bezel on. This one just snaps off. Once it's snapped off, there's a little piece of double-sided tape at the bottom of the screen that holds the bottom of the bezel on. Don't know if I'll have to replace that or not. So here we are with the screen. It had a crack up here at the top. And to remove, I've got this small Phillips screwdriver, and I'll start here at the bottom, removing these 4 small screws out of the tabs on the screen. My screwdriver is somewhat magnetic, so it kind of helps to hold these little screws. So the 4 screws are out. We're just going to kind of pop the screen loose here. Since it's already cracked, I'm not saving it. I'm not worried about scratching it. On the back, we have the cable that connects. This is power supply and all, I assume. I am not a tech person, but so this just has a little piece of tape. We're just going to pull that tape back and gently remove the plug. So the plug is removed. Screen is loose. Here's my new screen, received from what is laptopscreen.com, I believe it is. They were a very good company to order from. Very quick shipment. And they were very helpful online. This does have a screen protector on it. So I'm just going to lay this down gently on the keyboard. I need to reconnect my power supply. This is probably the hardest part. These things are very small. I'll take one look at this one here. So I think I'm going to connect it. There it went, finally. Once you get it lined up, it doesn't take much to get it in there, but it's a bit of a, it's such a small, thin plug, it doesn't, so just set the screen back in place. And we'll come back in up here at the top where I was at last. Put a screw top left. Top right. Bottom right. Okay, it's screwed back together. I'm just going to pull my power supply up here and plug it in. And voila, we have a new screen. I think. Maybe. Something isn't right. I got the HP. I thought it was all good. And there it is. So, computer boots up. Take the protector off. Snap the bezel back in place. And we are all good. Everything looks like it's in place. The double-sided tape seemed to stick back to the screen. All good.